Hi guys, uh, let's wait for some more minutes. Let's wait for 5 more minutes, guys. Then we can start. So I guess my voice is audible for you. Just want a confirmation. Uh, we can start around by 7:38. Probably, I guess we have like a good waiting time. Let's wait. So we have still some more time. Till then, we can just explore on uh, various things that we are going to see, and we'll set it up ready, I guess. uh, yeah. Yeah, so I think we can start by 7:37 at max. uh, yeah. Okay. uh, yeah, so hi guys. So in this video, right, in this live, what we are mainly discussing is going to be just a second. Hi guys, so I am back. So mainly what we are going to discuss in this video is an informative section. So we have already covered it in video, but we didn't do like how to add the address watch and these things, or those things we didn't do much. So most people are asking, like you explained in the video, but we need a live thing, like an interactive thing. So how do we do that? This was the most common question. So let me explore it here. You are able to see my profile, so you can just add the address that you want to watch. So this is the most common question that people were asking. So you can just go to coinex.net. I think my internet is somewhat slower, so let's go to this CT token. Okay, let's take the tokens CRC20, and in that we just pick one token. Let's go with CD WCT. This is CD. Okay, let's just go with the USDT. So this is a CSC pegged USDT. Okay, so the contract is verified. Even though we need to, if the contract is verified, you need to check the few other things also. Okay, so why did I go for here is, right, I'm just going to have add an wallet. I'm going to check the the transactions that are going to offer. Okay, so this is 5,151. So I'm going to copy the link address. Oh, no, it won't work. Just a second. They have 0.1% of the total distribution here in CSE chain. So I'm going to copy that address. I'm going to add that address here. Okay, mail notification on incoming on outgoing transaction. Also track on CRC20 and CRC71. Okay, just let me confirm. So this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to track this wallet. I'm going to check whether there's an incoming and outgoing transactions. So I'm going to be notified. Here you see, right, the total, the amount of CETs they have, other tokens that they have. You can see here also, like what are the tokens that they are having is CSC. So this is what, like, more over a token tracker, but it also sends you the notification if there is an incoming and outgoing transactions using your email ID. So that is one thing. So yeah, and another thing what people are asking is how to add private notes for a particular transaction. So you do a transaction, you want to add the tag and address, right? So let me just go here and let me, if you have added the wallet, right, to show you all the transactions. Let me just go to CoinEx mods and I should be able to see some transactions IDs here. So let me check this transaction. Okay, I'm going to copy the transaction TS hash and I'm going to, like, uh, I'm going to tag it like sample. Okay, this is asking for address. Let me take this from address. Confirm. So this is for address. So similar way, like I showed you, you can do it for transaction. So you create here just a sample transaction tx. So I copy the transaction hash here. So why people do this, if you add your wallet and you are doing some transactions, so you don't know, like, it is moreover this crypto field is going to replace the banking system, right? So crypto is going to be a most powerful thing in the future. So in order to have like additional features like whatever the bank offers is what the main concern here. So you have like you have the transaction ID, but you don't know why you send it. So you can't exactly track it even sometimes, right? I don't know like why did I did the transactions. Even there are some tokens, right? It have like differentiated token, they call it as, like they have like tax, and this buy and sell percentage of slippage will increase your total sub token supply. So in those cases also what we have is this you don't know like the percent of tokens that you bought first at the first time. So you can go to pancake swap or coinex one swap, and you know what is the percentage of tokens that you bought at the stage. But you won't be able to if there are more transaction or you switch to a different wallet and you are checking, I did it in via wallet and I go to NA box, I add the chain, but I won't be able to see the transaction properly. So I have to go to the wallet, I have to check the transactions, etc. So these things, instead of that, even if you have multiple wallets, you can add the transaction, like you move it from here to here for this wallet for this cause. So like I have like cold wallet and I have like the wallet that I'm going to use. So cold wallet is nothing but you have some amount of wealth, but you're not going to use it, so it's going to be a huge wallet. So in those cases you are moving it from cold wallet, you need to know like you have 10 or 7 primary wallets and secondary wallets there. So you can let the transaction know like this is what you're going to use it for. So this amount of wealth is moving into this amount of wallet for this is the reason that you are doing it. So that is what this has as private nodes, so this will be only visible to you. So that is really helpful for you. And token ignore list is what you can just create, add a one token here, and the contract address, the token that you don't want to see, and you can confirm, so you won't see the token in while you are surfing in coinex.net. So that is what in your wallet also, for those particular wallet you won't be able to see that token. And verified addresses, so let me like you could just provide a contract address and you can verify them. So it helps you to like where it gives you like this is the token that you bought. So these type of things will be helpful for you. So you are going to verify a contract address if you are good. That's what the main reason what we have it here. So these four things are the main these five are the main things the people were asking. So how you create an account, and what is address watch, and how to create a private node, how to ignore, what is that, can you show me a demo like that. So let me show you one token ignore list. Let us try to find the contract address, some random tokens. I don't know, like this, let us take it. So this is for example, okay, so don't take like this itself. So this is unverified. Let me try to get the contract address here. So this is a contract address, so I copied it and I'm pasting it here. So I click on confirm, you see it automatically takes the token, so I ignore the token. Okay, so this token won't be able to see, I won't be able to check it in my private trackings or the wallets that I'm going to use. So that is the main thing of to blocking the tokens. Okay, you can also unperform, like if you want you can again remove it, delete that action again. So this is the main things, guys. So this is what I want to discuss. And apart from that, so we already explored for this month, right? I have not covered in the previous update. So this is Galactic War, a gamify project with NFT. So it has a AAA rated graphics. The game is really exclusive. I already tried to play and I have played it, but I can't play it in live because my computer is not that much, like it won't be good. So I'm not doing it. But you can also try it. You need a minimum quadro graphics or T series, or or RTX 10 series. You need it because if you have higher series, I guess the 40 series it already launched, You can try it out. It's really great thing. So let's just I can show you the trailer. Let me so this is how it was really. uh, so what they are showing it right here, even the graphics is much more higher compared to what they are showing in trailer. I've already explained before itself. So it's a multiverse concept, and they are also bringing up metaverse, so it's rhymes, yeah. And so these things are coming up. I didn't see these features of developing an universe kind of thing in like what they have told in story. I have not played it in demo, so those things here only play demo is still there. And I think what I want to say is please keep an eye out on this particular project. So make sure after the token or the game or the project is deployed in CoinEx Smart Chain, you invest and pitch in, because this is the first AAA rated graphics game. So it's very comparable to the Call of Duty, the games like PUBG, and these computer PC games. If you have played and you have played this game, it's moreover like it's really competitive. And this Galactic War has features of NFTs, and they have like multiple things coming up. They have a metaverse building up, so it's going to be a really a good call on this. I guess this Galactic War is going to be a really good and a decent project. So apart from that, yeah, Minutopia has updated that there's going to be a CSC minutopia.co, so it's going to be launched. I checked out. It's still not. I was not able to check it. Let us check it once here for for the live. It's still in development phase, I guess. Oh yeah. Oh, I can see. This morning it was down, I guess. So this is a yeah. It's really cool. This is a big update, I guess. They have really changed this UIs and things. So still that URL is also active. You can also check that one. But let us come down. I think set up your wallet, create your collection, add your NFTs, list them, see the marketplace. Oh, nice. I think it's while we're doing it live only it went up, I guess. I'm not able to see many things because I tried it in morning, guys, so it was not there actually. This website I was not able to see. Now only I'm able to see it actually. Domain names, they have this many supports now, but let us try to, if there is an option, let's see whether it is. We have an option for minting my profile. Yeah, it is coming up. It's really good. Their UI is impressive and it's loading faster. My internet might be slower in loading these things, I guess. That's why it's not loaded, or it might be in development. I will make a detailed video apart from this live, like doing it on how to explore this. It's really good. Let us try to. I'm not able to see the minting option. Are you guys able to see somewhere? Seeing the options to explore. Create your collection. I have set up my wallet. List them for sale. That's good. Oh, okay, here you have create a collection. So enter a collection. Test. Yeah, it's really good. Here royalty percentage. Test. Maybe I guess the name is first. It's a first NFT, I guess. So you guys get to witness the first NFT minting that is going to happen. But I'm not sure whether do we have access for this collectibles minting most of them doesn't provide us. You need to be verified as an author and get access from their website to be, collection banner. Let's try whether it's your collection banner is required. So it's just a test thing, guys. Don't you know just I'm going to explore it whether what is happening here, whether it does allow the option to create. Yeah, you see, right? What is the warning what we got? Let me check. Request failed. Yeah, it's failing because, right, we won't be able to create actually. uh, we can mint, we can, I think we do have options for minting. Okay, you have these options for this. They have a really good DB here. Sorry, my profile here created. There is no data. There's no data. But I want to mint specific a single NFT. Is it possible? Let me check. I also want to check whether do I have gas fee. Is that the reason I was not able to do it? It's enough, I guess. 0.85. It should have at least gone to MetaMask, right? Yeah. So let us go to offers. What we have. Okay, this is for auction. If we have put it on auction, right? So I think now it has option for only this, right? We don't have. We can sort it out and based on price, collections, and categories. Okay, these features are there. We can do it a filter thing. That is really cool. And but what is shocking is how can I mint all items first NFTs. I think they're still doing some changes this year because they have. I remember they have mini Utopia collectibles, but I'm not able to see it. I think it's still in development. So here you see the partners are CoinEx, Smart Chain, IPFS, Unstoppable Domains, OneSwap. It's really a good thing, guys. Their UI is really fast. I can able to see the NFTs really fast. It's showing the results, right? Because the old one takes some time. I can even show you if it is possible. I don't know whether it is. This is active because morning I checked. This one was active, but this one is not active. You have to create a collection. Here you see. So, but you have to be certified or something to be validated. So this is also there. But this was kind of very slow. But this is really fast in fetching the IPFS and their NFTs. That's really a cool upgrade. So that's what I want to explore. Actually, I didn't have this on plan. So what I thought was like, what is like mini Utopia update and their status with that. But morning to till evening, I guess that's a huge progress. Morning, I just see like welcome to mini Utopia API. But now it has fully developed, I guess. So here it's really a cool thing. We need to like have this option for collections alone, I guess. Uh, might have their option on how to get validated by the authors. That thing need to be, oh, here it is, but I don't know why I can't mint it. So it's also there, right? I guess we need to check it out. Here you have publish. X does not, but you need to be verified. That's why it's not coming up. You can't publish, but here it is inside your thing. You can see the first NFT inside it, but you can't because there is some issues with it. You need to be get validated or something to be added here. So it's under development still, but yeah, it's really a big update from them, their marketplace. We also have Babylons. Minutopia is also progressing. I guess you still see here this Minutopia beta, so it's still in not a main release, I guess. Their progress is really good, and they started from scratch. That's a really great thing, like how much they have progressed. So yeah, so thank you guys, thank you for joining the live today. Let me try to have some partnership